a program that is informative, educative, and entertaining. I believe today too we're going to excite you. The last time that we met, we talked about coronavirus, its impact and lessons for marriages and relationships. And that was the first part. Today we're going to look at the second part of the same topic. The truth or the facts, the matter is that we made you aware of some negative consequences if we don't take care that this virus, because it is virus, it can have or it can bring to our relationship. Today, we're rather going to look at some benefits of the same pandemic for our marriages and their relationships. Fortunately, these negative consequences that we discussed the last time as regard high divorce rates, filing of divorce, poor communication, increase in domestic violence, lack of care and support, lack of compassion, among others, as discussed, are not inevitable responses to external stresses. Couples can strive to communicate and behave in ways that are typical of successful marriages, even in the face of this pandemic. And someone will ask that, how can that be possible? Yes, it is possible. Out of your desperation and frustration, it is still possible to have some positive or benefit from this pandemic. And then so you may say, know yourself. Yes, of what is saying, get a musi. Yet the swing and Zaman and a year to do. A da, anyone can say anyone can say, dear no, you swing a baby for damn year for free a wabe. And now, since that wing ya, and now, impo at the swing able to ye near film. Ɛwɔ yɛn awar na yɛn nketamuzi emu. Ihuni. Ɔno dze ne yɛbɛka dɛ ɔyɛ nzama yɛnhwɛ yie nsunsuando bɔ no butum ho aba yɛn donkoten na yɛka ho asa. Na ndɛ yɛpɛ dɛ yɛsan yɛhwɛ kwan foforo ebi do dɛ ɔyɛ nokɔ dɛ yɛka bibi dɛ yɛnhwɛ yɛn ho yie a butum dze awore gu dzaba awore gu butum akɔso butum ɔdze impo popo na kasa ehonto ntokwa dza bɛn ne fefiete nanso ndɛ ezidi yɛhwɛ mfasonso a se yɛhwɛ ne yɛhyɛ nzama yɛbosua ne nso abotum aboe nokwa mu no sɛ yɛhwɛ yɛn ho yie na yɛn asetena yie a dɛm yɛrebe no mu hina nso mpo yɛbotum yɛnyɛ adesua papa bi yɛbotum yɛ bibi papa bi a ɛna onye hina awɔre mu na yɛn nketawozema Yansa botum waka sampara da yebotum yedin hyehyɛ ebia yesi gugu akwan mu edota. Indeed, as I said, as couples we can still strive to communicate and behave in ways that are typical of successful marriages, even in the face of this pandemic. And I said, someone will ask, how possible? Yes, it is possible. You can do this by overlooking the occasional critical remarks that may come from your partner, from your spouse, forgiving hurtful behavior. You need to forgive because we are home and some of you are not moving out to anywhere. I'm sure you are humans and therefore someone can hurt you as your partner. You need to forgive. You can also create this enabling environment to get the benefit out of this COVID-19 by taking the partner's perspective and again adopting good communication skills. So you need to study your partner to know when to do what. And we may have time to look at communication as a topic, but when you are communicating, we have the written communication, we have the verbal communication. If you like, we also have the non-verbal communication. So you will need to, at this time, adopt appropriately which one to go. You know when to do what. When you are using your gestures, when you are to WhatsApp, use the various handles, or when you are to open your mouth to reach your partner. Again, you can also create and get the benefit out of this disease by being compassionate to your partner. Just try to be compassionate to each other. It is time that because you are bored and you are home, you can engage in some fun. Way back when we were very young, some of the games that we have forgotten, this is the time for you to, if God has blessed you and you are a couple, and you have blessed you with some fruits of the womb, it is time for you to have fun with your family together, which hitherto wouldn't have been successful, but for COVID-19. You need to work on building intimacy with each other as a couple. Now, if we're people who could not have time for each other, sex is one of the means through which we enjoy successful marriages. And so try and find ways and means now that COVID-19 has brought you, most of you, even when you go to work, you are likely to come home straight after work. So seize the opportunity to build on your intimacy. And then again, avoid expressions of blame, hostility, and then contempt. This period of COVID-19, try and avoid it. I am sure that we're looking at some of the benefits, and one of the benefits which we can also get out of this stressful time, this difficult time, is that you can draw your family closer to your maker at this very point in time. Then again, I am saying that above all, I will urge you to put your total trust in Christ Jesus, who is a true overcomer even over the deadly disease called coronavirus or COVID-19. If COVID-19 destroys, Christ repairs, Christ maintains, Christ can restore. And so put your total trust in Jesus Christ. It's for them by music and a can said, I am Gassa Yitum. Every year we is that Dami Yerbeni in a nature, ye put to me a baby papa be. If we yank it on them, Boa bra, yerbe, Wabba, ba, Yenemen, Emon. No big business that my five and condom me too. Many façon efi impo yerba ono de mo yenda o se nimpe no se yaze otito nimpe mu no da wori je ozen tokwa befi ndo ebutuma yenda na ebutuma yenda de me brim no yehu de nkofo bebre ebinu ho na adwuma se ebinu menzama nkode de mo kwonte wudza ha he ono ti bi kakra bi a ebo na hwepo a ebufu aba ma obakasa from my be yende so bende wo dofo no bibi na okasa na ebu enwe egubido nye na nihina na ezo wadwe nti bokodo simple often one mebeyende ezibeche sende enye na bra na oti wa ende sisi anda mansesa nti bi okra oho be watu na edwuma bi wase ateti bi orofom nti na odebufu na oda bibi etio feche damaran so nokwemu no ode yi ho kwa na yibotu nyen na abofo akasa yinsu ya kwa na yibotu nyen na akasa nkitamuza yizi na bi wo ha yeza atro tumiye moye ebi nso wo ha yeza nyananzi ye yan kase maybe sa won tarishe mpo wa mosesi obi kwa ate wona on kase ya na orezi nkomo ntemesrawara yinsu ya kwa na yibotu ya kasa na yezi ya ho nkitamu na ye eban ber na wada da masa ni zema twan na mede modofo na akasa otewo nsa na menye na akasa megbe ma no na so wa hwemenyim anada yizi mutum afra no sado phone do ana yizi mutum pon mega texting ana mega for WhatsApp do ana menye na akasa wo confirm nti sua da menzama na sua ni bisa enye wodofo eba kasa bebia sado fecha pocho ma ye ne ye ne nyinaa yɛbɛsua ɛka. Dɛm bere yi ara nso no ɛna wɔde yɛsua yɛnya ayɛmhyehye yɛdze ma yɛn ho yɛn ho. Sɛndɛ obi n'adwuma ase. Afei na ahwɛ a na ɛrebɛka kɛ na abɛn na ɔwɔ adwuma ne ndzeyɛɛ bi a ɔyɛɛ no nti ɛdze rebɛkɛ ma ebufuw no akwa. Yɛnya ayɛmhyehye yɛmfa ma yɛn ho yɛn ho. Nokware mu no, sɛ yɛtum yɛhwɛ ndzɛmba nso yie a, mekae abere na yɛyɛ mmɔframma agoro bi a na yɛdzidzidzidzi bi koraa woyɛ afiri bi. Mmɔframma no mpo sɛ Nyame aboa wɔn na wɔyɛ awarefo na mmereka sɛ yɛte fie yɛwɔ mmɔframma na yɛntum yɛhome yɛn yɛ a, ntwuma bi a ɛyɛ na meka dɛ agoro bi hɔ a na yɛdzidzidzidzi bere bi wɔ abɛsen kɔ a, yɛn mmɔframma ndze ahoɔ bɛyɛ dɛ no wɔ dɛm agoro no bi ti. Kwan a wɔsɛ kwan a yɛwɔyɛ dɛm agoro bi te dɛ kwan a kyaskele ɛna tomato agoro bi te dɛm ne nyinaa yɛyɛ fifiri. Mmɔframma no ndɛ wɔnyɛ time pɛ na wɔsua. Nti dɛm bere a wɔtete fie botum wɔsua ɛnyɛ wɔadɔfo wɔto ludu wɔto dam dɛm ndzɛmba nyinaa botum wɔnyɛ busua no. You can have fun. Botum agye wɔn ani mpo wɔ abere a yɛreba. Nokware mu no, aworɔfo bebree wɔ hɔ a ɛna nkasa bi ho yɛn nko n'anim a gyama na adze asa. Bo ho yɛn mba bo ho yɛn a ɛna bi adze asa. Bi koraa wɔ ho yɛn. Dɛm bere yi ɛna yɛbotum yɛne yɛn adɔfo no yɛabuild yɛn intimacy. Mowɔ asɛm bi a meka ebinom friend ɛrɛ kɔtakwa na mesua yɛfie me yɛnko bi hɔ ɔsɛ toromtala. Ebi nso wɔ hɔ a ɔno yɛ mpem agodi ara. Dɛm bere yi na aworɔfo no bebree wotum wɔasua kwan a wɔbɛbɛn wɔn ho abere a na yɛrebɛnbɛn ne bi a ɔnte dɛm. Dɛm bere yi wotum asua dɛ wɔbɛbɛnbɛn wɔn ho. Nti ndɛ meyɛreka nyinaa dɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ yɛrebɛyɛ ɔbɛyɛ a anka abusuafo no bi wɔ hɔ koraa yɛntum yɛntena fie. Ɔnam yɛrebɛyɛ wɔ abɛn nti mesrɛ fa akwanya no na ka w'abusua ɛboa no tete na ahɛ na yɛ abusua no te dɛ agya no. Na yɛnyɛ ho no nsua Nyankopɔn asɛm. Yɛntwe abusua no bɛne Nyankopɔn bebree. Yɛnyɛ ho no nsua Nyankopɔn asɛm. Yɛmbɔ mpae mfa mbom. Ɛsiane dɛ ma meka nyinaa dɛ dɛm yɛreba yi ɔbɛyɛ dɛ ɔbɛsɛe a Yesu anaa Nyankopɔn a yɛsom no dze ɔyɛ ɔsɛesiefo. Nti sɛ yɛreba no bɛsɛe yɛn mpo a yɛmfa yɛn wura na yɛn haw nyinaa mfa nto Nyankopɔn no do. Yɛmbɛn no bebree na ɔno botum wɔagye yɛn na mpo ɔdze yɛn asi hɔ mpo wɔ abere a yɛreba rekɔdo nyinaa yɛn bambɔ ɛwɔ Nyankopɔn hɔ. Nti ndɛ ma yɛdze brɛ wɔn no ɔnyɛ mfaso a dɛm yɛreba ebotum na sɛ yɛhwɛ yɛn ho na yɛbɔ yɛn bere yɛ botum yɛnya mpo wɔ yɛn nkitahodzi na yɛn mfefi. Again, we thank you so much for your time. We only looked at the benefits of the pandemic, COVID-19, for our marriages and relationships. If we take you from all that we have discussed with you, I'm sure with the support from God, we can make it. See you for another exciting edition. Bye-bye.